The car that set the standard for hybrids is now entering its third generation. Toyota unveiled the new 2010 Prius at the North American International Auto Show and announced the car will get a combined 50 miles per gallon.
Not only is this the most fuel-efficient midsize in the segment, it is also the highest mileage car sold in America.
TRACY Handler, auto analyst for Global Insight, says the Prius has become an iconic brand for Toyota.
All those incremental miles per gallon help reduce fuel consumption in the U.S. as a whole. So if there's more 50 mile per gallon cars or 43s or 48s, all of that really helps us with energy independence.
Energy independence for General Motors means producing new batteries. GM CEO Rick Wagoner says the design, development, and production of advanced batteries must be a core competency for the automaker. So as a result, the company will manufacture this lithium-ion battery pack in Michigan for the Chevy Volt, and it is partnering with the University of Michigan to create a specialized curriculum for battery engineers.
General Motors is getting back into the battery business. Our facility will be the first lithium-ion battery manufacturing plant operated by a major automaker in the U.S. And of course, it'll create new green jobs.
The idea of saying goodbye to gasoline and plugging in your car to drive sounds pretty tempting, but there's some concern about where all this new electricity is going to come from.
The electric grid in the United States is probably vulnerable to start with, and depending on how many electric cars you end up adding to it, it could cause some problems.
Pressed by Congress to reinvent itself, General Motors says that it has now invested more than $1 billion on the electrification of the automobile. Mark CARLSON, The Associated Press, Detroit.